Stop. I have a question for everyone, especially for the brown girls. I know that we all have a two different shades, one for the summer and one for the winter. Most of the people get darker in the summer and lighter in the winter. Here's where I'm using it from Charlotte. And the question is, I wanna know that's too much. It's okay. I want to know that who else gets lighter in the summer and the darker in the winter. Please don't tell me that I'm the only one who gets lighter in the summer and darker. That is amazing. You're gonna wonder about like it's summer and you get tan. No, I don't. Yesterday I was wearing my favorite shade, Maybelline one, and it gets so dark. By the end of the day, I was like a whole different person. I know that also oxidized.